can see that we are live. That's a good thing. And here we are back in my workshop. Yes, new camera today. So, what do we have here? Looks like I may be lagging a little bit. Let's see what we don't need. Yeah, exit smart things. Don't need no power toys. Don't need download manager. Steam needs to be open. Close down Ada for now. Need that, need that. Oh, headphones. Hey, now I can hear. Team viewer, don't need that right now. Don't need that right now. Okay. Lose my controls for my touch screen, but that's okay. And looks like still lagging a little bit. But I think that's on Streamlabs. We'll see how it goes. Let me know if there's any problems, but for now, okay. Last week when we left off, there was we had just come to the end of the table. I can show you now that we can request a bottle, get the container, bottle 1, and it's nice and flush on the table. We can assign drinks to it, can assign labels, everything. But you can see that all in the Patreon exclusive. So, just checking the stream because it looks like my camera's frozen, but yeah, the stream seems to be going fine. Don't know what's going on. Gonna have to check this out later after stream. Hope you all can hope it doesn't cause too much problems for you guys. Okay, so okay, we're done with that, done with that, done with that, done with that. There is one issue with the bottles. Oh, maybe I know what it is. Nope, not performance. We want it default here. Then go into graphics preferences. We want to turn this nice and down for streaming so we're not using up. We'll go to mid for streaming so we're not using up a lot of VRAM and stuff. We'll go until it just looks nice. There we go. Hardware settings, yeah, 2x, no VSync. Turn off anisotropic. Depth of field. Yeah, okay. Presets save. This will be streaming preset. Save. Okay. That looks like it's cleared up a little bit of the lag with Streamlabs. Hopefully it'll make it a little bit better to watch the stream. So the issue we're having, let me stand. Let me detach my tools. I'm going to need a second character for this. We're going to pull Grognak on. Then we'll immediately have to drop his graphics settings also, because it'll probably start lagging the stream. Graphic. Oh no, it automatically put him at streaming. Good. Okay. So what we want to test is come back here. We are going to, not tools, we want this menu, Resible, item, bottle of water. We just want one of them. Submit. So we get this bottle S1. And we're going to res it on the table. And we click it, bottle of water, and it's now set to be a bottle of water. We long click it, set price, 2 coins. The price is set to 2. Then we can come back over here to Grognak. We see that he has 18 coins. I'm going to turn on dark mode. There we go. And I'm just going to turn it on my character too. Oh, it is on. It's got that reverse thing going. Detach. Outfit. Which outfit am I wearing? There we go. And add. There we go. Now dark mode. There, that fixed that. Okay. So I got 38595. And Grognak's got 18. So he can click the bottle. You can see it goes right to his hand. And ugly animation. Yeah, that did nothing for it, but click it. And buy drink. And it does take from him. Now we might have to look at the inventory because it won't auto update. Go to page. And of course we're logged in at the wrong character. Log in. And we did not receive our, you can see here, go dark mode. See here, it's still at 9.5. It's not at 9.7. So we did not receive our coins. So, Grognak, if you can kindly put that down. And back over on Drakkhis. We can edit it. Edit the bottle inside. Make sure it is sending correctly. So it is sending the drink owner to the player sub item. And if you can see the player sub item, we go to take inventory, coin name, and price. So item is the coin name, item name, and amount is the price. And then drink owner oh, maybe we should check if the drink owner is being set correctly. So LL owner, say body. Okay. File, save. Save that. Build object, save back to object contents. Delete. Close that. Refill. It refilled it. Come back to Grognak. So when he clicks this, it should tell him buy drink. Ah. It is not sending the drink owner. Okay. So that we have to resolve. Okay, edit. Drink owner. Let's find where we're setting it. We're using it there, using it there. Drink owner. And we had an extra equal sign. So we're going to H to pull up the replace. Copy. Paste. Replace with that. There. File. Save. Then we build object. Save back to object contents. We can delete that because we no longer need it. We can click refill. Yes, it refilled. Go to Grognak. Click. Go to our web page. We still have 95. Yep, 95. So we come here. If we can click it. Yep. Buy drink. 2 coins. Come here. 97. Probably wouldn't have updated on. Yeah, that updates every couple minutes unless they're forced to update. But it did give us our coins. So that means Grognak, you can actually I want to test something else. So Grogneck, log off. Come back here. Grogneck logged off. And the bottle went right back to where it was. And it is empty. Don't know why it's flashing like that. It's not happy about something. Let's look at the bottle main. Ah, I know why. No sensor. I need to remove the sensor. And if it's empty, in use is false. We don't need to do that. Oh, wait. Yes, set visible true. LL. Sensor remove. Okay. So. Yeah, okay. So we have that there. And then we'll copy that. Okay, delete. Delete. Okay. Now all we have to do, open. Do all that for all 10 bottles. And this has to be done because the bottles aren't live yet. And if I wait till they're live, then it gets a mess because some people have old bottles and... But I think this is the last round of bugs. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. One, 2. Just got to res out all the internal bottles in each bottle. Then fix the internal scripts and save them back. Then fix the bottle scripts and then take them all. So I can delete these 5. Now I can res 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Do the same with these. Okay. So it should be as simple as this. Edit. Replace. Save. Next. Edit. Replace. Save. And we can keep doing that until all 10 are done. why I like to catch bugs in systems like these before I replicate it to everything. Because it's much easier to do it for the initial one and then replicate it once it's all finished. But unfortunately, you never catch all the bugs. Some of them scamper through the cracks and replace. Save. Oh, wrong one. Not the most glamorous part of code development. But it's something that has to be done. And this is the last internal bottle. So there we go. Hi, Kim.
Hello. Oh, I saw your face is pretty white here.
Oh yeah, that's my balding spot there.
No, it's maybe on the light from the sun.
Ah,
I was adjusting.
thank you. Okay, now we'll detach this and we'll just go object, save back to contents, and we do that for each and every item. I used to go into Firestorm's code and create a shortcut for this, but every time Firestorm updates, it erases my shortcut and I got to do it all over again, and I just got too lazy. I wish there was like a mods folder for Firestorm that wouldn't get updated and it would apply your mods. Okay. So those are all done. So, well, there's none of you in here right now. You're probably all still sleeping at 4:30 a.m. But let me know in the comments what you think of the new camera. Okay. So now the second one. Yeah, I know I've got the cabling weird. I've got too many USBs used. And the camera doesn't like going through the hub. So I got to figure out something else to plug in the hub to plug the camera into the computer. Or use a C to C cable to plug it directly into my C port on my back of my computer. Okay, so the internal scripts are done. Now we need to go to each of these. We need to replace, it was the sensor. No sensor. So we need to replace this. With sensor remove. There we go. So we need to replace the old one with the new one. And close others. There. So we save this one. And then we do this all over again. Pull that up there. No, that's in the way. Pull it there. Edit. Replace. Save. Edit. Replace. Save. And do that 7 more times. And this is just to fix that visual glitch if somebody goes offline while they're holding a bottle. And it'll actually help with server lag slightly because it'll remove the sensor from pinging the server. So trying something different today, you'll notice that there will be a delay in chat, but we've enabled closed captions, so the stream will be searchable in YouTube. So hopefully reach a wider audience and get more people interested in SL Colonies. Okay, and just in case I forgot to save any. Oh, nope. Can't do a save all, so that means everything's saved. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Don't need to save back to contents. We can delete those. And now we just pick everything up. Take. Oh, I don't want to take a copy. Take. And then we just come over to the container server. Delete all the old. Put in all the new. And done. Now to verify, we resable item, bottle of water. We'll take one of them. Accept bottle of water. And I gotta delete all these old ones. Delete that. Okay. We're going to set a price. We will set it to 5 this time. Submit. Now we need to call back our friend to test. And yep, log in. Okay. Ooh, look, a drink. Oh. Oops. So, I set the price, but I forgot to set what drink it is. Set price 5. Submit. Okay. Now, pick it up. I've got 12 coins. Ah, I see the problem here. Okay, that'll be fixed in the next HUD update. Buy drink. Down to 7. And Drakkhis, if we go to his page here. Haha! It worked. Okay. Now we come back to Grognak and we see if the second part worked. We bloop. He's gone. Bottle's back and no more flickering. Woohoo! We fixed it. So those are done. Now we're moving on to the barrels. Okay. So here's our old barrel. We're going to be removing the text and the thing. These are the new barrels. They all have labels incorporated. So when you come over here to the table, container, barrel, and label, let's just pull up a logo. Copy asset UUID. Oh, bottle, container, barrel, label, paste, submit. And you can see it puts the label on there. Couldn't get it really close because it was flickering, but we got it to the perfect distance where it doesn't flicker and it still looks nice unless you really cam up on it. But drink. There. There are no visual cues because it's all sealed in a barrel. We could finalize it and we'd have ourselves a barrel. But before we do any of that, just going to stand up. Oh, need to, adjust that. When you stand, it should be deleting the items. We'll take care of that later. So, old barrel system. You could have your mug, SLC wooden mug, add it, click on the barrel, and as an owner you can test. Oh, my mug still has 3 drinks left in it. Drink. Drink. And drink. The old barrel you could test, and you fill cup. And you see how it just nicely fills my cup. I can also set price, set coin, set the access mode to open, group, or list. The only things I'm going to be changing, I believe, are the access mode. I want to add colony to it. Otherwise, I think the barrel works perfectly because the owner can set a price per drink. And then, okay, let's see here. Set a price per drink of 5. Submit. Then test. Gonna remove this mug. Let's go with this mug. Add. Is it empty? It's empty. Test. Fill cup. And you can see down here on the debug that would have cost 25 coins. But I'm the owner, so. But then you should be able to long click. Oh no, I need a pitcher, not a mug. Oh, it's, you know what? The only difference between a picture and a mug, I believe, was the reset scripts. Then we take, add. Test. Fill. And yes. So, if it's over 5 drinks, if it's 10 drinks, then when you yourself can click it, you can set a price per drink. Currently set to 1. You set to -1, it disables giving drinks. So you can only drink from it yourself. But say we set it, so we're paying 5 per drink from there. We set it to 8 per drink. Then you can set the coin type that you want also. But if it's a pitcher, you cannot drink from your own pitcher. What if I set it to -1? Did that allow me to drink from it? No, you still can't drink from it. So you can't just take a whole pitcher and start drinking from it. That's the way those scripts work. And I really like the way the script works. So you pay the tavern owner per drink. And then as a server, you set the per drink price. You can sell them for less if you're really feeling generous and you want to gain good patrons, or you can set it for more if you want to make some money. So that's the way that works. So we're not changing the mug script at all. That's perfect. And the only thing we're adding to the barrel is to limit the security for colony. And we're going to be updating security for the scripts themselves. I believe that's all we need there. The barrels will not be modifiable because they're a crafted item. Hey, Regina. Good to see you. So I think that's it. So Regina, how's the new webcam looking? Okay. So we're just going to edit this. Just open it. Copy to inventory. And if we look at it, whiskey barrel. Yeah. Delete. So edit, pull a copy. And yeah, I think it's because I actually combed my hair today and there's not little wisps flying everywhere. Okay, whiskey barrel. Content. So the whiskey barrels will be no modify, no copy, and then the scripts will be no modify, no transfer. Okay. So we're going to need a few things. We're going to need a complex menu script. And we're going to need a controller script. What is the most simple controller we have? I think it's the environmental damage. No, we'll go with the item controller. Okay. Edit. Close others. Close this. And close that down so we don't accidentally make any edits to it. Come in here. New script. Rename. Oh, new script. Rename. Should be SLC underscore barrel underscore controller space vision 0.18.0. Okay. Then we're going to come complex menu script. Then a new script. Rename SLC barrel version 0.18.0. Okay. Start with the barrel controller. Copy. B. What's everything we will need and we won't need? We need pen URL. Old check. Type. Dialog channel. Get URL. Create a reset. Check player. Visible parts we do not need, because we're not going to be making any part of the barrel invisible. So we come delete that, go to where it's implemented. We're going to also get rid of all set link alphas. That was the only one. Okay. Create a reset, check player. Reinitialize, yes. Get link num. I don't think we need get link nums, because we're not changing any individual prim. So we don't have a spawn menu either, but we'll come to that. Okay, that's fine. Oh yeah, we need to make a base. Well, no, that's fine. They're not going to be modifying it, so. $16, $17, $18. Okay. Spawn menu. We're not going to be spawning anything. Spawn points? No. Change name? No. Hover text? Yes. Security? Yes. Select item? No. Well, yes. Yes. Security menu? Yes. Spawn menu? No. Remove points? That's dealing with spawn points, so no. Okay, clear all? No, I'm not going to need that. Reset? Yes. Regen time? No. Oh, this is for bars. There's no gather, there's no regen time. There's no life. There's just amount and name. So no gather bar, no regen time, no life. Oh, and there will be coin type price. So here, coin type for line 3. Coin type. Coin type. And this one will be price. Nice. Price. But we don't need a gather bar. Okay. Set color of the text, yes. Set text on, off, lines, color. Okay, that's good. That's all good. Touch end, yes. Touch start on res. Spawn points, nope. Reinitialize pin, station type. Initialize. Old check. Okay, my text, show text, line 1 text, line 2 text, so there's no line 5. Okay, so initialized item type, pin, verbose, item life, we're gonna have drink, amount, coin type, price. So drink amount, coin type, price. No regen or respawn. So if it's a full reset, yeah, we're not going to mess with life, color, okay. Security public. I'm not going to mess with any of that. So it just changes the security back to public on a full reset. And it sets all the text to true and stuff. So region timer, pack amount, gathering, item life, tab, drink, drink amount, coin type, price. Okay. That takes care of that. Reinitialize. Check player. Create a reset. This is where we want to come down. Okay. Ugh. So this is where it sets the pin. Select item will not be used here. Because this... yeah. Select item will be used for something different. But X wait. X. There we go. Now we come down here, create a reset. We don't need any, what the hell? We don't need any of this, any of that. We don't need buttons. Tab, 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 tab. Don't need an item list. Thank you. I worked this weekend on getting the barrels adjusted so we had the labels and everything. But Timogen had the actual meshes made by somebody else. So right click and this item here, these are going to be barrels. Now prim set be a barrel. We don't want item, just want barrel. Okay. Just a second. Okay, there we go. Actually, no, because the pitcher, the server owns the pitcher. So they're buying the drinks from the barrel, and even if they go offline, they own the pitchers, so their remaining drinks stay in the pitcher. The other way, where it would have refunded the money for the drinks, that's if we had the barrels resing a pitcher for the servers. So with this is the server will go to the carpenter, get a pitcher made, then they own that pitcher. It's not a tool in their HUD or anything. They own the picture in their inventory. How are they going to do that, though? Because they can't be so... Oh, yeah. So the picture will go to their SL inventory. Then they'll claim it. So they'll have a picture. And we'll probably set the pictures to be able to refill, I don't know, 100,000 times, something like that. So it's not a perpetual item. So its usage will go down every time it is filled. Yes, they'll be able to rename their own pictures. So they can rename it whatever they want. I'm going to do the same thing with the mugs. They'll be able to rename their own mugs. Okay, so base prim set to be a barrel. No, we're not renaming the base prim yet. Because we need to keep them what they're named to for. Actually, we're not going to allow them to rename it at all. Because its name is set by what it's resed out, what it's set to. Or should we allow them to rename them after it's been set and everything like that? Let's see here. Okay. So back down to where we were. Creator reset is going to change it. Check player. And the check player goes down to check player ID. And it sends the touch. Okay. So this all takes care of security. Touch end. It takes care of the range. Setting security. Okay, we don't want spawn points. Yeah, it's the last place for spawn points. That's owner menu, reset, security, hover text changed. Oh. Excuse me. Sorry, chat. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. They don't need to rename it because it gets named what the person who created that barrel named it. So, yeah, we're going to take change name out. Change name. Change name. Then we come down here. Lines, color. Price. Reset hover text security. Okay. config, set data, set text, set color. And then the listen name. There's the last part. Okay. And these, yeah, no update station for these. Yeah, okay. There is the basic barrel controller. That does everything with setting text. Oh, get rid of that. That's setting text, setting security, and passing the touch onto the main script. And then we come to the barrel script. And for that, we need the old dispenser script. Okay. Copy that. Paste that. And this is a mere 525 lines that we have to deal with. Oh. Okay. Dispenser type. Note card reader. Bars we don't need. I know that. Where's format? Decimal used. Not used. Don't need it. Player checker will change. Player coin checker will still need. Player sub item. Player item. Sub item. ID coin type. I wonder, was the original one broken where it wasn't giving the coins to the owner? Was it just a coin sink? Oh, add gather item. Add gather item owner. Okay. So I had it split into two separate things, so it would verify that it took their money. It would multiply the coin amount by the amount they bought, and then it would give the coins to the owner. Okay, so that was all working. Refill is working. Player sub item. So the only thing I really need to change is adding in the security. That's it. Getting access list. Set liquid can get removed. And that can get removed. Yep. So that's all I'm doing is removing the liquid level stuff and the printed on text. And I will add in setting the label. Or when it's, I need to add in a menu for when it's resed. You can click on it like the bottles. But first, dispenser type. There's a few things I need to go through, like this dispenser type, how it actually goes in. Drinks amount max. Because we're setting them up in the database a different way. They're actually made from a recipe, and so I do have a lot of work to do, but this access mode can go away because security's set in the other script. I want to get rid of the access mode, listing group. Okay. access mode. We don't need the data server anymore. Don't need access mode. No more access. Okay. Player sub item. Player get inventory. Refill container. So the touch start's going to have to be replaced. Get link num. That can go. Get access list can go. New dispenser. Refill sub item player checker. WAS progress. That can go. Step can go. Get lines. Note card max. Note card, note card, note card, note card, note card. Access list. There are no tools. Did I even use this anywhere in here? Nope. Type of coin. Item name. Okay. That's whittled down everything I need to get rid of for now. Yeah, we need a nicer mesh done for the mug and the pitcher. I'll save this. Oh, it didn't break anything on save. Okay. Now we need to pull up a demo script for which demo script should we use? We'll just use the item again. SLC item. Okay. Region channel. So I think we need this part. going to need to set the item text. We don't need bars. We don't need visible parts. We don't need make visible. We don't need second converter. Player checker. Player checker. No item gather, no use, no tool check. State entry. We need to add I believe we just need to add this part. Copy. State entry. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Don't need that. We want to look for all the message links. Oh, it's the only one left. Okay. We don't need that. We don't need that. B. Okay. So this will replace with link set data right protected, and we will set drink to none. And then we want to set oh no, we want the controller. I need my controller up. We need the drink. We need the drink amount. Oh. Drink amount is set to 0. Coin type. Coin type is set to coins, and price is set to 0. So that when I save the script, it will automatically set those to there. And we don't need that. Okay. Oh, we already have a new mug in the server? Okay, cool. I'm going to take a quick break. I will be right back in a few minutes. And I am back. Had to get myself some water in my SL Colonies thermos mug thing. And my SL Colonies t-shirt. Got those this weekend. So, you can find our merch on Streamlabs. Although, Temujin, I received my shirt and I received my tumbler mug thing, but never received my apron that I ordered. Okay. So we need to close that. And I need one of these. Because the first thing we need to do I don't know, their shipping and things said it was all being shipped. They never said it about separate, so I'll wait a week or two and then I'll contact them. Yeah, my mug and shirt were shipped separately, but they arrived on the same day. Bottle main. Okay. So we don't need player checker. We need what's that? Go to site. Ooh, nice. I like, for our system, I like either this one or this one, but probably the previous one better. What type of model is it? Let's see here. They're OBJ. Yeah, they'll work. I can make them work perfectly. Just send me the model and I can do all the adjustments we need. Okay, so where were we? Oh yeah. Default state entry. If drink is equal to none. Or no, wait. Data right drink on res. Okay. If drink is equal to none, select drink. Copy. And we want to put that in the barrel controller. So we come over here. Barrel controller, edit, listen, touch end, on res, request URL, then if drink is equal to none, then it selects the drink. Then we come to select drink. F. They're not going to be attaching the barrel. Select drink. Copy. And if they touch it... Okay, yeah. But first, barrel controller. Old check, compare version, hex. Reset. Okay, here we go. Select drink. Touch your key. Bottle base will be the object name, yeah. And the size will be the description. Okay, so we need to make sure the description for all these is set to 100. Description 100. Oh, and that makes it, we can't have them modifiable, so because of the way the code works on that. Okay. I will check that out later. Okay. So it's barrel 1. 100. So that's barrel 1. 100. There, and then touch start. Listen. Touch end. Okay. We want here. Copy. Barrel controller. Here. B. Tab. If drink is none, then, well, first, if drink is equal to nothing, then we're just going to return. But if drink is equal to none, if detect key 0. There. So that'll initiate the selecting the drink. Yeah, that's what I do at night. When you guys hear me say that I'm in bed and I'm on my Quest 3 and I'm just watching chat or watching videos or whatever. Well, have a good night. Go back to bed. Sleep well. Okay, so we need to come down here to HTTP response. Select drink key. And we need to take this whole section. Come over to barrel controller. HTTP response. Control B. Move the status 200 inside because here we use it outside because I don't know why. Then we shift tab these. Tabulate those and bring that in line. There we go. And select drink to use. So we need a drink select menu. Menu descriptor drink select. Right protector drink. We're not going to need a drink owner. We're not going to need set alpha or drink color or set link. Oh, label, yes. No drink color. Yes, we will need a drink color. Just no setting alpha. Barrel. Barrel. Okay. Copy. Oh wait, this whole thing. Copy. Controller. So now we need link set data right protected amount pass. Okay, get drink color. Label face is 0. Label face is 0. And we don't need to set that because there is no invisible prim behind it. And drink amount. That's what we were calling it. Copy. Okay. So the only one we need to add, actually we don't even need to add a barrel name because it's getting set in the object name. Uh-oh. Link set data right protected. Barrel name is equal to name. Okay. That's just in case we need it in the future. So we need the use inventory and we need get drink color. So here, look for use inventory first. Copy that. Controller. Then we come to player sub item here. Okay. Didn't need that. Set visible. Next we need, so use inventory is taken care of. Get drink color. Copy. V. F. This, but we're not going to use it in the same way. Initialize, select drink. B. If requested ID is equal to get drink color key. We don't need the 200. Hex to call, is that already here? Yes, it is. Okay. We're not setting the liquid face. Uh-oh. Set data right protected. Drink color is this. Stringified. Pass. Okay. There. Now we have the drink color saved. We have the drink name saved. The only thing we need to add here is drink color. Drink color. And here. There. So that's set with setting the drink type, if it's touched or if it's rezzed, and it's nothing. Okay. Save. And if I touch it now, oh, not defined within scope. Possible drinks. Okay. So now we need a list of possible drinks. Save. Not defining in scope. Current amount. B. This will be set data read protected, and we want drink amount. There. Save. Naming convention changed. Request ID. Request ID. Save. Toucher, of course. It's selecting drink. It's going to be an owner, so. There. Save. Yeah, I don't need those. Yay, okay. And touching it should... That's running. Oh yeah, we need to set that to not running right now. Oh, that's right. We need to set that to running. Then we need to reset scripts. Then we set that to not running. This is not a recognized station type. Okay. Oh. Edit. Okay, so I'm thinking that's on the creator reset. F. Sim item creator reset. Player ID. No, that's fine. Reinitialize, you think? Sim item reinitialize. SL items. Sim item reinitialize. Okay. Aha. It's the development. Another station type, or this station is, or this dot item type is out of date. Okay. File. Save. Edit. Reset scripts. Or this barrel is out of date. Yep. So sim item, item type. So we need to come into SLC sim item. And we need to add one. Barrel. Barrel. Gather times 100. 0. 0. 0. Tools. None. Tool damage 0. Energy use 0. Type none. Stat required none. 0. 0. Gather range. We're going to put that at 10. Required roll none. CXP none, none. Vulnerability 0. Consumable false transfer. Okay. Apply. Okay. Let's try this again. Edit. Yes. That's not running good. Oh, wait, that needs to be running though. Now I need to reset. Now I need to set it to not running. Why is it not giving me a menu? It's no longer out of date. Barrel controller, I need to edit again. So, it reinitializes, yes. We're going to state entry on res. No. Touch end. Get rid of this. Uh-oh. Get rid of this. Or tab. There. Get rid of that. Rid of that. Okay. Let's try that. Minimize there. Okay. No drinks found. That's good. Basically, I do not have a barrel that matches it. Shall we go make a barrel that matches it? Bottle, container, barrel 1, drink, water, label, water, and we're going to look type textures. Water drops. That's a good water texture. Water chestnut, watercress, water drops. Swamp water. Oh yeah, I like that. No, I'm not going to do that. Logo. Copy asset UUID. Paste. Submit. There. Finalize. Basic water barrel. Submit. Finalize. That's going to take 16.5 minutes. So while we're working on that, we can do other things. Okay, 16.5 minutes is up. Go here, player admin. Search. Add item. Oh. Did it not get added? Search. Is that a problem we're having? Add item. Oh no. I'm just... Damn it. It's my dark mode. That one type of menu doesn't like dark mode. So I gotta fix that. Basic water barrel. I'll give myself 10 of them for now. Add item. So now we should be able to click on this basic water barrel. And it changes the label. Containing 100 water. You are too far away. Okay, so it's not setting the range or anything. Yeah, I upgraded to the Quest 3. Sorry, didn't see that comment. Okay, so the range isn't being set. We got to look at our item controller. See where the range is being set. Item controller. Range. Touch range. Okay, so it's being set when it initializes in the thing, but we're not going to worry about touch range. We're just going to set it to 10, hard coded in here for now. Save. Okay. So now, yes, no more errors. That means it's being passed to the next script. And I think that is a good stopping point for today. I know it's only been a 2-hour stream, but I do have some things to take care of in RL. I will be back streaming tomorrow and we will continue this. I want to thank you all for today. I hope you enjoyed discovering how we make items here in SL Colonies and what I go through. This is my daily stream. I'd like to say thank you everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. And I hope you come back tomorrow. And that's me signing out.